Now, hear this. Did you know that since 1956, it has been a crime in Nigeria to call someone an Osu? You could go to jail for it. Yet 70 years later, the practice is booming. Why did the law fail where tradition succeeded? Today, we look at the ghost law of Eastern Nigeria. In 1956, the legendary Nnamdi Azikiwe helped pass a law to abolish the Osu system. It was supposed to be over, but you cannot legislate the human heart. Why the law said everyone is equal, the elders said not in this village. The system moved from the open into the shadows, into whispers and secret meetings. This proves that you can't end the culture with a pen. You have to end it with a change of mind. Yes. But then there's something so interestingly amazing about those classified as the Osus and those of us seen as Wadialas in the respective parts of Igbo land we hail from. All my life, I've never seen where Wadiala was awarded an academic certificate for proficiency simply because he's a Wadiala. No way. Even when he failed to meet the academic requirements set aside for such honor. Again, I've never seen where anyone labeled an Osu was denied of his first class honor or second class upper division honor simply because he is an Osu. Academic and job qualifications do not look at anyone in the face and deny them of what is rightfully theirs or what they actually are qualified for. The assessments are totally clear. The yardstick never changes, but it's so disheartening that it's only humans that do the contrary. What a huge pity. In conclusion of this part, I ask another unavoidably paramount question which needs to be answered. Do we need the government to step in with stricter punishments, that is punitive measures, or is this a battle for the youth to win? Drop a law quote if you can. If you think the law needs to be enforced today. Again, if this post truly resonates with you, share this to spread the awareness. And don't forget to follow me to be in the know of more parts of this segment. Thanks for watching. Catch your roll for part 5 of this segment. Bye-bye. Love you all.